All right, hey guys, what's up? Cristy Lee here, hanging out at Radford Racing School, one of my personal favorite places to be. And of course, no shock right here, we've got a really awesome car behind me right now. But this isn't just any Hellcat, you guys. What is special about this car? Well, I'm about to tell you, so stay tuned. We are integrating some direct connection parts onto this car to make it faster and better. And to do that, we've got Kevin Wesley from Wesley Motorsports, who has quite the storied history of not only working with Dodge, the direct connection brand, Radford Racing School, the list goes on. But you know all about this car, so I kind of want to learn like what is going into this new ride with these new direct connection parts.
So we're starting with a 2019 Hellcat Challenger 6-speed, and we're basically taking off, some really good parts and replacing them with some better parts. So we're taking off the 6-piston Brembos and putting on a different 6-piston Brembo from a 5th generation Viper ACR. Still uses the stock rotor, stock pad, everything like that, but it's really a good caliper with titanium pistons and a lot better heat capacity. And then we're taking the electronic Bilstein dampers off and replacing them with a double adjustable Bilstein coilover system that we've developed over the last 8 years running these cars.
Okay, so these Hellcats are designed for high performance. And what's really cool about Radford Racing School is that we are truly pushing these cars to the limit, to the max. So to take something that's already being pushed and has some pretty amazing parts on it, take those amazing parts off and put even better parts on is going to make for a really rad car on track.
What we're really doing is taking some of the road manners out of the car. Braking system, we're still good, but we're here to race, right? We're here at the track, so we want some more aggressive suspension tuning and some more aggressive springs. So what we're doing is we're increasing the spring rate in the front because we know these cars are heavy in the nose, so we want to get some of the understeer out of the car. And then what we do with our system is actually take spring rate out of the rear. So when you do that on these cars, it's actually gets some squat at corner exit and actually able to put the power down a lot better. When you have 700 horsepower, you want to be able to put the power down on exit, and that's what we did with our kit.
Now, we didn't just sift through the parts store here to find these direct connection parts, right? These are Dodge factory direct connection parts available for the Hellcat. So these are factory fitment parts that essentially go right on.
Absolutely, and everything on this car is actually OE validated. So the caliper is OE validated from Viper, and actually the suspension and the damper rod is actually from a 5th generation ACR Viper as well.
And what is really cool about this that's happening right now in this exact moment, because we're here at Radford Racing School, Radford Racing School will be offering the direct connection upgrade lineup on the Hellcats in their programs here at the school, which is going to make things even better and the learning and opportunities even greater. And you get to go a little bit faster with better parts. I mean, let's be honest, we all like go fast, right?
More fun is always better.
All right, well, these sound like pretty amazing parts, so excited to see this program come in here to you at Radford. Kevin, thanks for your time. More to come here from Radford Racing School. Stay tuned.